how to show or hide avatar stickers on apps screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on advanced features. From here, scroll down and tap on Galaxy Avatar. Now in here, tap on Avatar stickers. Then at the top, tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings. Now in Settings, tap on the toggle button to turn on or show avatar stickers on apps screen. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Here, I will turn it on. And then if I go into my app screen, I should be able to find avatar stickers in here. Here it is. So if I tap on that, that will allow me to quickly open up the avatar stickers app to ready to use my avatar or share it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.